Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you ever wish you could just lower the volume of everything around you a little bit? Well, I have definitely felt that way, and that is why I want to show you these earplugs. These are the PQ earplugs, which stands for peace and quiet, and that is exactly what this gives you. They give you that noise reduction, but also keep you comfortable. So these are perfect for several uses. Personally, I have been using these when I'm sleeping because I am a light sleeper, and these just help to block out any extra noise. They're so comfortable even when I'm sleeping on my side. I also like to use these when I am working and there's noise going on around me and I really need to concentrate. This just helps me to be able to focus. It's just enough to feel like everything is muted, but I can still hear if I really needed to hear something, that sound is still gonna come through. These also offer water protection to help prevent swimmer's ear or ear infections. So if these are a little bit big for you, you can actually break them in half. And to mold them to your ear, you simply warm them up in your hand, sort of roll them into a ball, and place them over but not into your ear canal. And it's awesome because these are moldable to your ear. So it's like getting a custom earplug. Just be careful when you're placing them to not push them too far down. They come in a variety of different size packs. This one has 28 wax pillows, and each of them can be used up to 10 times, so this is gonna last a long time. It also comes with a little mini travel case to keep them clean when you're on the go. So if you're looking to turn down the world around you just a little bit so you can get some rest, then I would definitely check out these Peace and Quiet earplugs. I've been really happy with them, and I think they work great and super comfortable, and that's my point of view.